It's an idea. It is the first cross-platform application that uses Twitter as a way for municipalities to monitor public opinion, prepare for riots, and to even find out what's going on at the current moment.
When developing for Project Eagle Eye, it was important to take into consideration everything we wanted it to do.
We are crowdsourcing event detection, and no one has ever done this before.
We spent a lot of time planning out the architecture before we dove into the code. There are three aspects of Project Eagle Eye: virtual command center, data mining, and augmented reality. One of the things we learned fairly quickly is that when you have many entities communicating with one another, it's important to establish standards. Because Twitter's API uses JSONP natively, we decided to use JSONP to pass data between programs.
Using Twitter was the logical thing to do. If you want to know what the world's thinking, you can just submit a query to Twitter. We basically took the idea that is Twitter, added functionality, and put it on our site. Along with users being able to submit locations or keywords with an advanced search on our site, they have the ability to grab pictures right out of the tweet. If we know the background source of the sites users use to submit their pictures, for example Tumblr or TwitPics or even Facebook, we're able to grab those pictures and immediately visualize those on the site. An important aspect of Project Eagle Eye is the idea of data mining. We don't just want to pull the tweets and visualize them for you. We want to try and sort them in a relevant manner. The system needs to be able to pull tweets and prioritize them and sort them so that the user is not wasting time. When searches get returned, some tweets have location data tied to them, such as GPS coordinates. With these coordinates, we can attempt to pinpoint a location of an event. With this location, we can send this data to devices out in the field to hopefully speed up organizational efforts.
The command center was a static view. The Android device is more of a mobile view. Because of this different take on it, we had to emphasize simplicity over functionality. The reason we chose this emphasization was because we wanted it to be more intuitive. When the user looked at the Android device, they wanted to know exactly what was going on at that point. We have our Google Map view, which is just a bird's eye view of all the data that is currently present. Our augmented reality view, which is a virtual overlay onto the real world.
With Project Eagle Eye, we set out to design something unique. Eagle Eye is the first of its kind, and it offers unprecedented amounts of information. With Eagle Eye, we can predict events today and save lives in the future.